In today's video, I'll be making mango slush with homemade tapioca pearls. To make the drink, I used a cup of mango and 150ml-ish of orange juice, and you can also add about a tablespoon of sweetener of your choice. Cook the pearls. I boil them in boiling hot water for 20 minutes. To sweeten the pearls, you can use a sweetener of your choice. I wouldn't recommend ones with a strong taste, such as maple syrup or stevia. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for the new recipe every week.